What's up guys, Eric from B-Side. Today we're going to be installing another shift power throttle response controller on this 2019 Honda Passport. This is a plug-and-play install, only takes a few minutes to install. It's super easy and we're going to be able to improve the car's throttle response and actually fine-tune it to our liking. So let's not waste any time, go in the car and get started. So inside the package you'll find our module with the harness connected to it, and also our control button and 2 instruction manuals and 2 zip ties. So let me grab our harness here that has a module attached to it, and all we have to do here is connect our button, the controller, into it just like that. Okay, and then on the other side of this you'll find a T-harness. So one side is gonna go plug into the acceleration pedal and the other side is going to connect to the harness that originally connected into the acceleration pedal. What we're gonna do is go inside where the pedal is, we're gonna follow up and we will find a plug. We're gonna unplug it and plug it into here. So here's the pedal, go all the way up and right there. That's the connector. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. The release tab on this Passport is actually on the left side. Usually it's on the right. So while pushing the release tab, we're gonna pull it up. Alright, there we go. Alright, we're able to do it with one hand. Okay, here it is. And then we see the matching connector here. So we're gonna connect this into that harness and this side to the acceleration pedal. Okay, here it is. Just like that. Clicks into place. Grab this other end right here. Right here, and just click it in. Alright. Okay, now we are going to organize the wires, zip tie it so that it doesn't dangle around, and then we're going to find a nice place for this button. Cable here just tucks in here. Alright, great. So that's the installation. Now all we have to do is download the application and connect it to the vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So after you turn on the engine, what you want to do is download the Shift Power application. And how you do that is go to your app here. I already went ahead and searched it, Shift Power Valtech. And then go ahead and press the install and then open. And after you open up the app, you want to click on this vehicle button and then you'll find it. You'll find your Shift Power device. Go ahead and connect it. It's going to ask you for the password, and the password is going to be written on the user manual, first page. Go ahead and pair it, and then you will select your vehicle, Tacoma. And then once you selected it, you'll notice that it's already on green. So every time you press the button, your app will change real time. Sport, Super Sport, that's orange. And then Race, that's red. Press it again, it'll turn white, which is turned off. And let me give you a little example. So at the off position, if you accelerate, you can see the vehicle's acceleration and Shift Power's acceleration. It's going to be the same. And then you press it once, it'll jump to 25%. And you'll notice that the Shift Power acceleration is going to be a little bit more than the original. Alright, there it is. Press it one more time. Sport, it's going to be more aggressive. Super Sport, even more aggressive. And then Race. Super aggressive. Very sensitive. And you can also fine tune this setting by going to the setting button here, most settings. So if there's a specific percentage that you would rather prefer, you could go ahead and change it over here. And then on top of that, you can change the throttle curve to be linear, which is straight, dynamic, or exponential, which has the most easing in curve. So exponential will probably be the easiest to drive, unless of course you're just trying to peel out and do donuts. It will want it to be linear. So exponential, we'll try at Race. So with exponential, the acceleration will build up more as you're pushing it down more. Okay, on top of that, we also have what's called a valet mode. So at the valet mode, you can actually adjust how much percentage is the maximum acceleration between 15 to 45% when you're valeting your vehicle, so that you don't have to worry about the valet driver peeling out with your car and being reckless with it. And at the same time, we also have the throttle lock mode. So when you lock your throttle, this is for a secondary theft deterrent device. Say that they get your engine turned on, and even when they accelerate, nothing is going to happen to the vehicle. It won't move. Alright, so let's go ahead and get on the street. So do you feel that this car kind of lags?
A little bit.
Oh, it does? Okay.
It does already, so...
Alright, hopefully this will fix that problem.
That'll be a good test.
Yes. Should we just try race mode?
Sure.
Alright, here we go.
I can already feel it.
Big difference?
Oh, huge. It's never accelerated that fast. That's crazy.
Alright, awesome.
That's really good. Pretty impressed.
Alright guys, well that concludes our installation and demonstration of our shift power throttle response controller. Super easy to install, and right away you will notice the difference. So let's go ahead and get it installed today. Available at BeatSonicUSA.com. If you have any questions, leave a line below or email us at info@BeatSonicUSA.com. And once again guys, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much.